All right, so for this problem, we're trying to find the equation of a line that passes through the point and is parallel to this equation. So again, we need to know the original. My original equation is -4. My parallel slope is going to be -4 as well because they're the same. So we know we need two things in order to write an equation. We need the m and we need the b. So those are the two things we're trying to find. We found the parallel slope. We now need to find the b, which is our y-intercept. So we're going to use y equals mx plus b, and we're going to solve for b. And we're going to use the point that was given to us, 2, 0. So I'm going to take the 2, plug it in the x spot. I'm going to take the 0, plug it in the y spot, and take my parallel slope and plug in the m spot. So this is going to be 0 equals -4 times 2 plus b. So 0 equals -8 plus b. And then we're going to add 8, and we get that my b is 8. So if I put all of my pieces together here, my slope is -4, my b is 8. So my equation is y equals -4x plus 8. So the answer should have been B.